So I'm getting over being sick finally, but I'm currently at the stage of cough your guts out until you lose your voice. Although it looks like I won't be losing my voice, but it's still a bit difficult to talk sometimes, and you probably don't want to hear me when I'm sick, because like sometimes the voice goes really crackly. But anyway, so I had the plastic roofing that came in. So now we have 10 sheets of plastic roofing, and then I got some 16-footers. So those 16-footers will go up here on the shorter side of the roof to be the sunroof. 16-footers will go across every 2 feet, and then the plastic will go on top. So it occurred to me that the overestimation that I did for the metal, or the underestimation or whatever, for the overhang, will also affect the plastic. So the plastic, I'll need another half piece for that if I do plastic to the outside. But then it occurred to me, you know, I was actually worried about having plastic on the outside of the overhangs anyway. So I might actually just use those for the center, so they'll come to about 1.5 feet from the edges. And then on the edges I'll just put pieces of metal over it. So the edges of the building will be metal overlapping over the plastic, so if something hits the edges it'll hit the metal and not the plastic, and it'll look more uniform. Like the overhang itself will be made of metal, so if you're looking from underneath on the front, then you won't see like clear and metal, you'll just see metal. And then when you go inside you'll see like the big sunroof, and if you're on the side you'll see metal, clear, metal. So that might work. I don't know, we'll do the math and do it better this time. So I'll actually do the math instead of just guesstimating it. And yeah, and because I got 16-footers, it'll make it really easy to put all the lumber up, because well, this was using recycled lumber, and so these are smaller sections that I had to lug those up and get them and cut them to length or whatever. And well, actually no, I didn't cut them, but I had to kind of sort them and stuff like that. But with 16-footers, I'm only putting up 9 pieces, because I already have a piece up, and so that'll speed things up, and hopefully I can get that done. So this is going pretty well, and I'm a little more bored. That's pretty much it. So the paneling is going on really well, but it's taking a lot longer because this paneling was industrial heavy-duty shit that was left over, and so I treat it like trash, and it was fine. And you know, if there's any problems with how I put it down, I'll just fix it later. I don't really care, because I figure there's so many holes and stuff in it that I'll just put some spackle, or not spackle, and put like tar or some roofing stuff on there, and we're gonna coat this and just kind of cover all the mistakes. Whereas with that one, I can't really cover the mistakes too well, so I'm being more careful, making sure the tensioning on the screws are right, and pre-drilling them and all that. So it's taking a lot longer. It's less interesting to film, and I worry if I include the rest of this in this video, it's going to be like a week of just slowly doing this, and it's not going to be very good. So, and plus I just kind of feel like maybe not filming for a little bit, and there'll be a good chance for me to call it quits for today, or something like that. I don't know. I'm just really happy with how this turned out, and frames turned out really well. Still feel a little bit funky from being sick, but overall I'm pretty good. Now, I would not have done this stuff while sick or getting over sick, but right now, like, this stuff is so easy to lift up, it's just kind of super easy. Now what I'm doing is I'm doing the same rope method, where I put the rope around the thing and pull it up. But this time I have this C-clamp that I'm putting on this metal, and that way I can just wrap the rope around and hold it up. Ow! Fucking hell. Hit my head yet again. I'm keeping track of how I hit my head. Oh, motherfucker. God damn it. Just not very good when I'm sick. But yeah, I'm really happy with the how this looks. And this is gonna let in so much light. It's gonna be great. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching. See ya!